Welcome to your interview for the DevOps engineer position. This interview will take approximately 15-20 minutes to complete. Please make sure you're in a quiet environment with good lighting.
Okay.
To begin, could you describe your experience with CI/CD pipelines? What tools have you used, and how have you designed and implemented reliable pipelines? I'm looking for specific examples of your work.
Yeah, so I've used Jenkins, uh, GitLab CI, and Circle CI. One example is when I set up a Jenkins pipeline with Docker containers for consistent environments and integrated Sonar Cube for static code analysis. To ensure reliability, we implemented automatic rollback strategies and notified via Slack.
That's a great overview. It's helpful to hear about the specific tools and integrations you've used. Now, let's move on to the next question. How would you approach the task of managing infrastructure as code using tools like Terraform and Ansible? Can you provide an example of a complex infrastructure setup you've automated using infrastructure as code?
Yeah, so I used Terraform before, and we followed the principle of version controlled infrastructure to ensure reliability and consistency. And we use Terraform Cloud to store the state remotely, and that prevents any local conflicts with the state of the Terraform files.
Okay, that's helpful. That concludes all of the questions I have for you today. Thank you for taking the time to interview for the DevOps engineer position. We appreciate your interest in the role.
All right, thank you. What are next steps?
The next steps involve our team reviewing your interview and discussing your qualifications. If you are selected for the next round, you will be contacted by our hiring manager to schedule a follow-up interview. Do you have any other questions for me at this time?
No, I don't have any other questions. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you again for your time and interest in the DevOps engineer position. Have a great day.
You too. Bye bye.